Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is week 2 of the Wealthsimple stock portfolio update. I have this invested in my TFSA stock portfolio on Wealthsimple. We have had regular updates on the channel. I did a weekend update and a week 1 update. So if you want to check those out, you can check those out on the channel with some other videos. Before I get started, thanks for everybody that has subscribed so far and leaving comments and questions on my videos. It's much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to follow along. What I am trying to do here is do a creator challenge. What I am taking is my earnings from my YouTube channel, another YouTube channel that I do run, and I am investing it in a Wealthsimple TFSA portfolio and sharing these updates on this channel and my stock portfolio. So hopefully follow along. If you aren't already, thanks for watching everybody. And if you do obviously enjoy this video, do all the likes and subscribing, all that kind of good YouTube stuff. You're here for the portfolio update, so let's show you. This is week 2 of Wealthsimple portfolio TFSA update. Okay, here we are. This is my TFSA portfolio. We started off with the initial investment a couple weeks ago, and our portfolio, it's down a little bit this week, down just 1%, which is fine. This is for long term, so we're not too worried, down $11. Let's just see where things are. Obviously the markets this week have been kind of up and down, so we've been actually kind of even earlier this week, but it's just kind of going back and forth. So long term, we'll see what happens. We're going to keep investing, I think, in the same stocks. So that's kind of the plan so far. So this is what we've got it in. We've got Cineplex. This is kind of my growth stock. We have 10 shares. There's been no new purchases on this. I'll add some more funds once the new YouTube revenue does come in. So we've got 10 shares of that. That one is down 6.63%. Alta return down $8.80. This one, hopefully, as the pandemic kind of stuff starts to improve and people are able to go see movies again, this hopefully will go up in price. That's kind of the idea. The next one here is Greenlane Renewables Inc. I've got 15 shares of this. This one actually, I had $1.75 left in my account, and I actually bought a share today because it's down to 174. So the price is down, kind of can bring our average price down. I bought one more of that. So actually we have 15 shares now, but we're still down 11%, just over $3.26. This is another growth stock that I've kind of invested in that I'm going to keep investing in. This does renewable natural gas, and they've actually had, if you're following this stock, they've actually had a couple of big purchases coming down the pipeline. So this one hopefully should improve as well. This one's always been doing good. REI.UN. This is a RioCan real estate investment trust. This one is up 4.43%. We've got 10 shares of that. We'll keep adding to this one next deposit as well. And then TransAlta Renewables. This one is down still, down 4.85%. Today's price $19.91. This one always seems to hover around the $19 or $20 mark. This is also with REI.UN, RNW, and last one here, VDY. These are all dividend stocks, so I'm going to start to see some dividends coming through monthly with shares that I own. So that's always a good thing to kind of get a return on that as well. So last one I do own, this is the Vanguard Canadian High Equity Dividend Yield Index, is the ETF. This I have 10 shares of. It's down just a little bit, $1.50, 0.40%. And we'll just show an update here. We can go to daily. This is today. When I'm filming this, I'm actually actually up a little bit on the day, 0%, but dollar. But as the week kind of goes, you can see I am down a little bit. And for the month, total $10. And because we haven't been going, this is all going to look basically the same, but all time, so people can see we are down just 1%, $10. So not too bad. All right, thanks for watching. If you have questions, like I said, leave me a comment down below. If you have any kind of favorite stocks, let me know in the comments below. It's always kind of neat to hear what other people have invested in their portfolio. Thanks for following along. I will do another update of the portfolio over the weekend so we can see what it's done through the entire week. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.